How to control insurance premiums costs in the trucking business. So welcome to this video where I'm going to help you navigate one of the biggest expenses in your trucking business, and that is going to be your insurance premiums. So whether you're just starting out or you're looking to optimize your current operations, this will be a guide in helping you control your costs and set yourself up for long-term success. For new trucking business owners, the decisions you make regarding the kind of vehicle you purchase and the kind of operations you start will directly impact your insurance rates. If you overextend yourself financially before securing profitable loads, your business is going to face a much higher rate of failure. So this is super important, you guys. As always, I approach these topics from a business owner's perspective because I know that the health of your company starts with revenue, not just an idea, not just dreams, real hard cash. So your first rule, or my first rule, is your agent is not a magician. As an agent who brokers multiple carriers, I need to clear something up. Your agent does not control your rates. Your agent cannot magically make premiums disappear or make your rates lower. But a good agent who understands your business, who understands the industry, who understands the carriers, can significantly impact and also making sure that you have the right coverages can greatly impact your business. So let's talk about the things that do influence your premiums. First, your driving history and experience. Your motor vehicle record, MVR. Insurance companies check your driving record like a detective on a crime show. You got tickets, accidents, DUI, expect higher premiums. If you're under the age of 25, some carriers won't even look at you. So maybe let someone older like grandpa do the driving until you get some more years of experience behind you. The more time you have behind the wheel, the lower your rates. If you are new, well, just get prepared to pay the rookie tax, right? If you have a clean CDL, that can also impact or lower your premiums. Number two, type of cargo you haul. If you're doing something high risk like hazmat, chemicals, luxury goods like Ferraris, well, congratulations, you just got new higher premiums. Things that are less expensive to haul, general freight like dry goods, groceries, furniture. It's kind of like eating veggies and safe food. It's just going to be cheaper. Oversized loads, things that require extra permits, special handling. Well, insurance companies see that as extra risk and extra dollars, so sign up for higher premiums. The FMCSA has minimum requirements as well, depending on exactly what you're hauling. So, surprise, the higher the minimum requirement, the higher your premiums are going to be. $750,000 to $5 million, you can generally see that in, that's what they're going to require for non-hazmat things. But if you're going to do hazmat, that's going to be $5 million and above. Really, what I normally see is that companies are asking for $1 million in liability and $100,000 in cargo insurance. If you have a newer, more expensive truck that looks amazing, then you're going to pay a little bit more, right? So if you have the choice between something with a lot of safety features and something that's decked out, choose something with higher safety features over style any day. If you get into a collision, if you have something like with collision control and lane control, anti-lock brakes, these are all really great things to have. The US DOT and the FMCSA look at your safety record. So if your company has a great safety record, then they're going to give you better records. And when I talk about your safety records, like your inspections, violations, if you have any bad ratings by the FMCSA, then that's going to impact your score. So keep your truck in top shape and stay out of trouble, or your insurance will cost more than the truck itself. Something that no one talks about that much is the gross vehicle weight, GVW classification. The heavier the truck, the more expensive the insurance, right? No surprise there. So if you're new, I'm going to go through this real quick. Light trucks, that's going to be your Ford F-150, your Chevy Silverado, your small pickup. Medium-sized trucks, that's going to be stuff like your box trucks, your delivery trucks, your work trucks. Heavy trucks are going to be, your semi trucks, your dump trucks, your rigs, and they go deeper into your pocket. So if you're just starting off, don't bite off more than what you can chew. If you need to start off small and upgrade as your business starts to make money, then do so. Operating radius and mileage. Local trucks pay less insurance. So if you're doing interstate travel, or if you're going, from city to city, state to state, that's going to cost you a little bit more. Business locations and operating states, you want to make sure that you get insurance where your truck is garage, regardless as to where it drives to. So if you're in California, you're going to have higher rates than, let's say, if you're in Texas or if you're in Florida. If you're based in a rural area, your trucking insurance should be a little bit lower. Your fleet size, if you have one single truck, then you're going to pay higher per single truck. But if you have a fleet of trucks, usually it's a lower per truck cost. So you can lower your trucking cost or your premiums by economies of scale. So final thought, keep your insurance premiums low, hire safe, experienced drivers, avoid hiring people with records, looking, decked out trucks, fast and furious, change your oil, choose your cargo wisely, especially when you're first starting out. Maybe luxury, it might sound good, but that might not be the way to go. Work with a great agent that understands your business and is not just going to sell you random policies. I will tell you that there are certain carriers that offer discounts for electronic logging devices and dash cams. So find someone who's knowledgeable about that. If you found this video helpful or at least entertaining, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know your insurance horror stories in this comment.